Welcome. In front of me I have NOKIA 3.4 and today I'll show you how we can turn off Google Assistant. So the first we have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and we have to get the latest version of the Google app. It's very important because it changed a lot, so you are not able to find it if you don't make the update. Okay, so right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we have to open it. Then go for the more and tap on the settings. Right now go for the Google Assistant and then we have to scroll down until we find the general settings. It's right here. So right now when you want to turn it off, we have to tap on the switcher, then confirm, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.